In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a tip gratuity on a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online. Let's walk through this step by step so that tips are tracked correctly and don't get mixed in with your regular sales income. This is important for accurate reporting and for making sure you're handling tips as liabilities that you owe to staff, rather than as revenue your business keeps. First, we need to set things up in your QuickBooks account. Start by going to the Settings menu. This is the small gear icon usually found in the upper right corner of your QuickBooks Online screen. Click on that, and from the options that appear, choose Products and Services. This is where all of your items live, including the things you sell, services you provide, and any special items you use on transactions. Once you're on the Products and Services page, look for the New button, typically near the top right. Click New to create a brand new item specifically for tips. Now, when QuickBooks asks what type of item you want to create, choose Service. Even though tips aren't really something you perform as a service, using a service item is the easiest way to add it to a sales receipt. Give this new service a clear name, such as Tips/Gratuity. Using a simple, obvious name will make it easy for you and your team to recognize it whenever you're filling out receipts. Next, you need to decide where this item will post in your chart of accounts. This is critical. Instead of linking tips to an income account, you want to link it to an other current liabilities account, something like undistributed tips. If you already have a liability account for tips, select that. If not, you may want to create one first, making sure it's set up as other current liabilities. This tells QuickBooks that any amount you collect as a tip is money you're holding temporarily and will eventually pay out, not money the business earned as revenue. Once that service item is created and saved, you're ready to use it on a sales receipt. Open a new sales receipt as you normally would, choose your customer, enter the products or services they purchased, and then add a new line. On that extra line, select the Tips Gratuity service you just set up and enter the tip amount the customer paid. When you save the sales receipt, QuickBooks will now record the tip separately from your regular sales and track it correctly as a liability, keeping your books clean and your reporting accurate.